Okay, so let's examine this. Now, we're going to need a binomial on this side, so we have to move that negative 16 to the other side. So we have 3p squared minus 6p equals negative 3 plus 16. So I have 3p squared minus 6p equals 13. Now here I'm going to divide everything by 3. Okay, so that gives me, because a has to be 1, p squared minus 2p equals 13 over 3. Now let's make some room for my special number. Just very special. Because it turns this into a perfect square trinomial. So we have 2 divided by 2 squared equals 1 squared equals 1. So that's my special number. Now I can take this and factor it into a very pretty binomial. Square root this is p, square root that, and then we have 1 minus. Thank you, Maddie, once again for showing me that middle step. Okay, and then we can just add these two, 13 over 3 and 3 over 3. So p minus 1 squared equals 16 over 3. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and square root both sides. Okay, so I have p minus 1 equals square root of 16 and the square root of 3 plus or minus. So p minus 1 equals plus or minus 4 is square root of 3. P equals 1 plus or minus 4 to the square root of 3. Now, actually, I should have never included this problem into this independent practice. I did not know that I had to rationalize the denominator. Now, if you have a radical in the denominator, you are not able to have a radical in the denominator, guys. That's just not, it doesn't work in math, okay? It just is not complete. So, the way we get rid of that radical is the square root of 3. So how do we get rid of that? Is that we multiply by square root of 3 over 3, or square root of 3 over square root of 3, which is 1. Okay, so that gives me 4 to the square root of 3 over the square root of 9, which ends up as 3. Now, this is my final answer, okay? But you're not going to have one like this on your test. So do not worry, I'm not going to ask you to rationalize the denominator until we get to the radical section, okay? So that's my final answer. If you had this, I'd be happy with it right now. Okay? Good job.